To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?
You don't need these, right?
No. Alright guys, so today we're going to be filling these little ornaments. And let me cut it open. Do you need to cut yours?
No, it just pops off. I didn't.
So, these are the candies I picked up. I got the white chocolate Reese's because one of the people I want to give these to, they can't eat like chocolate. And then I have the cookies and cream, which they can't eat, so they can only have the Reese's. And then I also have the cookies and cream Twix. Oh.
Yeah, it's supposed to do that.
Oh. So this is pretty much straightforward. I'm just gonna open these. What candy does those? These smell like a certain candy. Oh, like those, the little koala things. The little koala with the cream inside. You know what I'm talking about. It's the little koala cookies. That's what those smell like.
Oh, okay.
Okay, well let's get started. So I'm gonna do, his name is Joe. We may have a problem. This doesn't fit either. What the hell could you even?
I didn't get it out.
Oh.
Nope.
Nah.
No.
Alright, so change of plan. 1, my camera is dying, so now we're on my phone. And 2, you're going to be using these. You're going to be balancing on some, or seeing from some Goya beans.
Goya? No, unless you're doing just that one for that one guy is getting just what, these?
No, it's just this one.
Okay, well then you want to split that up. Because it's not going to hold if you're going to mix the candies. Yeah, I put 3 in this one. There's 3 Reese's, 3 of that, and then 2
My thing
Twix.
is, oh, this one's open. I don't like when candies do that. So I put 1 with only the Reese's in here. And then I'm going to mix the rest of the candies.
Do we have
How many are
more
you?
bows? Oh,
I mean,
it's this one.
I left most of them downstairs. Only grabbed some to decorate. Oh, you can't see Fernigus.
Fernigus.
Yes, her name is Fernigus.
Her name is Fernigus?
Yep. I mean, no, he's a boy because he's not putting in any effort.
They're not gluten-free either.
So?
I'm just telling you.
I'm not even. I mean, I'll probably try one of the Twix just because I want to try what it tastes like.
What part of not gluten-free did you
That's
want?
why I said try, not eat all of it.
Take it. Put it against the scissors. Pull.
That's too much work.
Leave.
Fernigus, I need you to get out of my way right quick. So, we're left with this product. I'm not doing that. Okay, so this is what we have right now.
Glue gun.
I think that we do have a glue gun. It's upstairs somewhere though. But that's a lot of work. This was supposed to be easy. They were just supposed to fit in here, and now it's supposed to be done.
Christmas stuff downstairs.
There's only like, there's the sticky bows, but there's, oh, she's following you.
Remember with all 4 of them, right?
Huh?
You have all 4 of them, right? You can move them out your way and just give you the one that you're doing. Move 3 of those.
I have some.
Oh, you know you hit them out already.
Yeah. Alright guys, so new plan. I forgot what the old plan was. But we're going to do stack this one. The one that can't eat the chocolate. We're just going to put some of these, which are ginger orange flavor. Is this your favorite one?
Yes, do
What's
original.
your least favorite? Okay, so we have original ginger candies. Just put a few in there. And then I'm gonna put more of his white chocolate. Okay, where did I put the lid? Where's the lid? The lid. Oh, it's right here. And then, okay, and then, is this hot? Oh, I don't think it's hot enough.
Put it at the bottom of this.
Yeah, that's not that hot.
Okay.
Because it's, oh, it has to be in the thing, doesn't it? This one sucks. But I don't feel like taking my PS4 cord out to charge the other one. That's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna put that one to the side, and then we'll be back with when the other ones are done. Yeah, but I'm gonna finish all of them, and then I'm gonna decorate. Alright guys, so this is my first one. I wanted to do one off camera so I can actually like see what I'm doing first. I have my first one. It has my bow's a little crooked, but that's okay. I have a little bow, and then I have a milk lollipop with a candy cane on there. So now we're gonna do another one together. So first we're gonna do the candy cane. So I just look for the position, like that's it, or like this. No, I like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna put hot glue on the two metal caps. Ooh. This needs to be pushed. Oh Lord! Stop. Okay. There we go. We'll actually start acting up once I turn the camera on. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the candy cane. Where's the other glob? There you go. And then just hold it down. Yours have character.
Shut up.
And that's on there well enough. And then we're gonna grab a lollipop. These are the milk eaters something lollipops. And I like to put it like right here so it like aligns with the candy cane. So I'm gonna line it and see where it'll touch the surface, and then put the glue there. Put that on there. That's a little loud.
That's what dogs are weird.
And this lollipop is on there. So now I'm gonna pick a boat, but I'm backing off. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue just so it's extra secure.
I only need one of those.
Huh?
I only need one of that color.
Yeah, I don't have that many more towers. Put it on there. Push it down, make sure it's gonna stay. Hey guys, okay, so these are the finished products of my hard work and my hard labor. These are, I have 2 with snowflakes and 2 with the candy canes, just because I broke the rest of the candy canes. So yes, these are them. This is the chocolate free one, and then I have these 3 And they're so cute. And that's all for today. I need to get a thumbnail. So, yeah. That's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.